proud of it.
Pina Finina.
It's interesting, that word, proud of it. I in some ways, it's almost like the car is proud of me.
There you
If the
go,
car
buddy.
wasn't proud of me, I wouldn't be making it home.
Oh, right
or,
on.
or I wouldn't have made it here.
I really feel you should grow a mustache, though.
Oh,
Tom Selleck. Why the temporary permit?
because everything is closed. You gotta make appointments at the time. And I had to have a paper signed.
Yeah.
By like a mechanic, and then go to the department highways. So I got
Gotcha.
insurance, and I had to get a paper signed. And the temporary permit gets me on the road with an inspection sticker until I get to the department highways
on.
to change the paper sign to the right papers.
Get some water jammed on that burn shit as soon as you get home.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's not, everything's. I think everything's fine.
start turn.
Yeah, starts good.